Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am sitting in the new tow pig. If you follow me on Instagram, I had posted in my stories recently that I had to let the Tundra go, and that was really hard for me. I never thought that I would ever end up getting rid of the Tundra, to be honest with you. It was one of my favorite rigs. It did everything I needed it to do. It was my daily, it was my grocery getter, it was the truck that I took everywhere. Over the years, I had a blast with that truck, and it was just really hard to just drive off without the truck. But my needs are changing a little bit, and having to tow the travel trailer to certain spots gets a little more challenging with the smaller truck. Lately, I've been hauling the first gen and the 4Runner around on the back of a car trailer. And so the Tundra did amazing. Don't get me wrong. It did amazing towing. I was just paying a ton of money. My fuel efficiency wasn't the best when it came to hauling with the Tundra. And to be honest, just even daily driving around town, I was getting maybe 10 miles to the gallon. So it just made sense to get a bigger truck, a truck that was a little more capable to haul all the things that I need to haul with it. So traded in the Tundra and came out with this, a 2019 Ford F350 Limited. I love every feature about this truck. It was the perfect transition from the Tundra to the F350. The Tundra, I had the 1794 trim package, and I wanted to make sure that I had the same conveniences that I did in the Tundra in the new truck. One of my favorite features about the F350 is this. Check out this sunroof. I love it. Those of you that have this trim package probably know all about the seat massagers. And at first I thought, wow, if I could save some money in the end, you don't need to put a seat massager in my truck, because I'm never going to use a seat massager. But once I saw it in action, I was like, dang, even if I don't use it, that's a pretty cool feature to have inside of a vehicle. So anyway, seat massagers are pretty cool. The heated steering wheel is pretty neat. The two-tone leather seats, another one of my favorites. I love the power of the diesel. I love the sound of the diesel. Another selling point for me was the suspension. I like having the solid axle in the front. It is bone stock right now. I don't plan to really do anything. Everybody's like, come on, Chris, you at least got to put a leveling kit in this thing. Right now, I'm really focused on just like getting the best fuel efficiency out of this truck. So we are here at Dynamic Automotive Window Tinting with Nate. You are from Kauai, and you...
Hi.
Huh?
Hi.
Oh, you throwing me off.
Oh, you're recording? Oh, shit. Wait, okay, that's on me. Yeah, run them back. I'm sorry.
That was Nate over there.
No, you gotta go over there. Go stand over there. Come on.
Anyways, as I was saying, if you from Kauai and you as old as me, then you will know who Yoshi was. This is Yoshi's junior in here. And he's here in Washington tinting. So I had to bring the Ford to Nate so Nate could do his thing. Maybe in your time, different last name by then.
How's you?
Because you know I'm an old lady.
What you mean?
What year you had grad?
I never grad.
Okay, what year would you have gradded?
Oh, graded. Oh, that is that's why mail for you. Hey, YouTube, YouTube. Do you want to hear white man slang? Graded. It's graduated. What year you graded? That's crazy. That's crazy.
What school you had go?
Huh?
What school you had go? Or what? Or I guess you never graded.
I never graded.
So if you hadn't graded, what school you wouldn't have graded from?
White man, stand up.
See, there you go. There you go.
White man high school, stand up.
He did an amazing job. If you need your windows tinted, Nate is the man. The man.
Edit this out, yeah, I say oh.
Oh. And he's secretly single.
No, you gotta talk about your car right at the Meisters.
Yeah,
come here, Nate. Let's talk about your car.
Oh, Sai is working on this. Wow. Okay, here we go. You can get both.
Hi, I'm Nate. This is my 1998 Acura Integra. It's a piece of shit. No, I'm kidding.
Right-hand drive.
Nah, it's alright.
Automatic.
We got JDM interior, pretty much JDM seats, front and back. We got freaking air, it's on air suspension, things of that nature.
Oh, it's air.
Got switches and all of that stuff. Gotta rip some more.
Yeah.
Oh no, got it actually. So I'm not gonna pop open my hood.
You gotta listen to the
Wait, where?
master. It's connected as well.
Oh, over here.
Yeah, so here, this right here. You just gotta broke them. Broke them over there. So I can do that side already.
I'm not popping my hood because this is in my trunk.
Wowzers.
Alright, so we got 8-inch PRVs up here. We also got McLaren horns. An Obsidian sub. It's an old collab sub, so to speak, and 2 amps, 1 4-channel, 1 mono. We got my air tank and my air management. It's not complete yet, but you know, no one has parts for a 4-door Integra down here, so we're kind of waiting on that.
Although the Tundra will be greatly missed, this truck and I will be going on some pretty cool adventures, and I'll be taking you along with me. If you're local to the Seattle-Tacoma area, definitely hit up Nate at Dynamic Automotive Window Tinting. He is the guy for all of your auto tinting needs. There are future plans to replace that Tundra with another Toyota. When that day comes, you'll see it first here on YouTube. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until the next one, aloha.